I gotta dry this motherfucker. Let's go. What's good? Welcome to a new vlog. Currently, about to just watch some vlogs, journal, try to create a budget for myself. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Actually, pause. That was your time to go like the video on my soul. If it's not liked, escape. Nah, but yeah, welcome to the vibe. It's a vibe here. Don't know what this vlog is gonna be about because I'm literally just starting it right now. But stay tuned. Instagram, Little Poppy _ TikTok. I think it's the same exact name. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. And yeah, welcome to the new vlog.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. At me, I've been working all day.
Oh, good morning. We're going to work. So tired. Super late. Yeah. Not the fuck in the mood at all. Last night mental health was horrible. A little bit rough. We're here another day. Love you guys. Be safe. Yeah. Yeah, good morning. Right now we're going to do a little hurricane. I think it's a Hurricane Helen or it's some with an H. I don't know, but I want to just come in here and make sure everybody's being safe in Florida, Georgia. My job just called me into work, but they're paying for my transportation. So I said, I can come in, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. I got on my You Matter hoodie, cause you matter. Before I can fit this bitch, but now it's like, it fit now, so. How y'all doing today? Mentally, I'm alright. Some shit, I really feel like right now I'm trying to elevate my life, and the universe is trying to knock me the fuck down, dead ass. But I'm not gonna let nobody come between my goals and what I gotta get done and shit. So, cause right now I really want it. Anything right now that I'm trying to get, I really want it. So I gotta really put in the work and go harder. So that's what I'm about to do. So this is a I don't know. This brand, it's pretty good. It's the Orange Kush flavor. It's an energy drink. Zero sugar because I'm a diabetic. Stand up diabetics. It got vitamins, B12, biotin, only 10 calories, only 3 carbs in here, so it's actually really good. So I'm about to go Uber's outside. I want to check in real quick, say good morning to y'all, and yeah, love y'all guys. What's good, y'all? Just got home from work. Got a little bit of groceries. I'm about to put them up real quick. I'm about to put some shit in the dishwasher. Got some clothes being washed. And yeah, I'm feeling real productive right now, so I'm about to just feel the energy because once it dies, it's over. What's good? About to get dressed, doing the lip mask, deconditioning my little goatee, and doing the face mask, and got my eye patches on. You not fucking with me, bro. You not fucking with me. Niggas is not doing it like this on my soul. But I'm gonna come back when I get dressed, so.
Run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carpet here like Mayweather, Tula come through and bubble hole. Got millions out there rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end.
The clavomoxis, antibiotics you give until he's done. They're in foil package.
One thing about this young Z.
But a cake or putting something in, you take like a coffee and use it. Yeah. Yeah. I would say the claws from the engine. I'm looking my shoulder, but you know what I have to do, you know? I'll do it one more time. You feel it. I just don't have the patience to sit you.
I'm at you smoke. What type of drugs you on? Bitch, you ain't never left me. Cause it must be the joke of the summer. You can't leave.
Alright, so we about to go to the train. Go to my father in North Carolina. He getting baptized. 2 a.m. First stop, niggas is mad tired. Like, alright, we made it. Thank God. That bus driver, I want to knock her shit clean the fuck off. The bitch was annoying as hell. Trying to be a mother. Drive this bus. I gotta drive this motherfucker. Let's go. Got some breakfast on this place. I had turkey sausage, egg and cheese. That shit was busting out the band, though.
Make wrongs right.
I'm about to have my little drinky drink, you know. And I'm probably about to roll me the little ballons on because he got that out there. You know. But yeah. Woo!
Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher.
Yo, this edible is beating my ass. Yo, the edible is tearing my ass up. Got my knees buzzing on my soul. But the fit. I know the vibes.
Motherfucking princess. But pushing me, she freaky done. Pull it in the camera, she get hotter than a sauna. Take Anna, I'm the new hip hop Madonna. I'm the new hip hop. I don't know what type of motherfucking crack they own. I'm like Carrie Brad, not for way too long. I'm a black bitch, purple smokes. I'm a real fly bitch, you in coach mode.
Why the fuck I'm driving my friend's car? As soon as she told me to go get some gas, I turned the corner. Something on the ground, I hear tire fucking going low. Irritated. Vlog was good. We're home. Niggas is home. Niggas is in the trap. I ain't scaredy. I'm about to eat this real quick. I'm over here watching Malia's new vlog. It's like 2 hours long. Like, damn, girl, you talking a lot. I'm gonna watch it though.
spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
I did that. This real quick. Watch this vlog. Call my mom, check on her really quick. And then take a shower. And then go to bed because I gotta get up in the morning. So.
I was losing my way, crying every day. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like.
Quick little Marshalls haul. First things first, got these work Crocs. Codex, total shoe bag, Buckaroo, Gap underwear. These was 12. Thank you. Other pair of Crocs for work. These were $20. Blue one is the back. Well, like a zip up fleece, $20. Marshall's got the deals. Alright. Listen. Also, the one that my dad got me last weekend, from them smells really good. I have another one from them that I got before. I think it's on the bed. But y'all check in with y'all, let you know what we got from Marshall, do a little haul. I'm about to go to bed. I'm tired. Ate good. Ate good. Your ear? Ate good. I really can't wait until my clock to take off because I want to get dressed, give me a little salmon bowl, record, edit, go home, do it again, try to see what's up with Lulu, and get the fuck out of Lulu. Until then, 9 to 5 on the grind, here to 11 o'clock. It is now like 5, but no, like 4. I'm gonna got some lunch real quick. Flour child, salmon bowl, Gouda macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes, with the pink rose lemonade, mad good beer. Check it in, check it out, bye.